Hi everyone, Chef Rich Davis at Boston Market. Welcome to our kitchens, and we're here to talk about holiday meals today and all the wonderful complete meals that we have ready for you for your holiday table. And let's get started here. So at bostonmarket.com we have all these wonderful holiday meals that you can order, and the one that I have in front of me today is our traditional holiday meal, and it's our roast turkey, and that comes with our wonderful vegetable stuffing, creamy mashed potatoes with poultry gravy, and you can pick it up at our restaurants or you can order it and have it delivered to your house. We have wonderful appetizers like our spinach artichoke dip, all the fixings that go with that, baked rolls, cranberry walnut relish, and of course no holiday meal would be complete without wonderful dessert. We have this apple pie and pumpkin pie for you, but we have also some wonderful things like spiral sliced ham, honey glazed ham, and even for the non-traditional eater, we have roast prime rib that you can get. We have wonderful sides that go with the ham, like our cinnamon apples, a sweet potato casserole, and all the fixings that you need. Now, if you're gonna cook dinner for yourself and you've already got your turkey or your ham or something like that, you can certainly go online to bostonmarket.com and look at our a la carte sides or our rolls or our spinach artichoke dip. Our restaurants will be open on Thanksgiving Day until 6 o'clock. So if you'd like to stop by and have a wonderful roast turkey meal on Thanksgiving Day with your favorite sides, you can stop by and do that. And as always, we have our famous rotisserie chicken available on Thanksgiving Day as well. So stop by and see us if you like. We'd love to have you there and hope you have a wonderful holiday.